This is the North Texas Presidential Series, their top-of-the-line vinyl window. You'll notice the outside appearance on it is more of a brick mold look than the beveled appearance. Some people like that better. The biggest thing about the Presidential is if you want the double hung window where both the bottom and the top raise and lower and tilt to clean, you do have to go to the Presidential to get that option on the double hung. The outside appearance though is very nice. It is available with a full screen being a double hung if you like, meaning that screen can come all the way to the top so that you can both lower and raise at the same time on a large window to get more of a cross ventilation if you're a fresh air person. From the inside, you'll notice several things very much in common with the Executive Series window. Again, we've got the single lock on this example, but when we go to a window over 28 inches wide, we'd have two locks. You've got it available with the divided panes or without the divided panes, the same as the Executive Series. We automatically use the Cardinal Low E 366, the newest generation Low E glass in this window, just like we do in the Executive window. The Super Spacer is automatic. One of the things that you do pick up in this window is a night latch, which means that you can, if you like to sleep with the windows open, someone would have to make an awful lot of noise trying to get in order to break in while you were sleeping. The Presidential has many of the same quality features as the Executive. Now, a double hung like this window does not have a center bar. The two sashes lock together, so you've got metal in both rails, the heavy duty metal reinforcement in both the top rail here and in the bottom rail of the top sash, and so there is no center bar in the double hung window. The double hung is particularly nice if you do have a two-story home. When it comes time to clean the windows, you would just tilt the bottom sash in to clean it, and then the top sash would tilt in the same manner. So both the top and the bottom sash can be cleaned from inside the home without ever having to go to the exterior or remove your screen. The difference in the Presidential and the Executive Series is primarily the night latches, the availability of that double hung upper sash, and then there are a few more options that are added with the Presidential, and this is why we rank it better and rank the Executive only good, because it does offer some additional options. For instance, we can actually paint the exterior of this vinyl window. The inside would stay white or beige, but we've got a number of color options available. Just look on your information sheet on this page and you'll see that we have blue, green, bronze, black, red, a lot of colors to choose from in the North Texas Presidential on the exterior. On the interior, you do have a couple of different wood grain options available, so these are also in your information sheet on this page. And you do keep the features of the stainless steel constant force balance system on the North Texas Presidential, the same system that we use on the Executive. And again, it's got the same Super Spacer that the Executive has. It's got the same 75 1/1000 thick frame. Again, the metal reinforcement, all of the quality features you see in the Executive are in the Presidential with even more options added.